So, I just got my hands on the new Baseus Bowie E3 true wireless earbuds, and oh my gosh, these things are pretty awesome. Let me break it down for you. First off, they're wireless and in-ear, which is super comfy. They're not really for gaming, but hey, perfect for everything else. And they've got a solid 12-month warranty from the manufacturer, so you're covered. What's cool is they work with any device that supports Bluetooth. So yeah, whether it's your phone or laptop, you're good to go. The design? Oh, it's sleek. They're splash-proof with an IP64 rating, so you can even wear them in the rain or while working out. Battery life is impressive, about 25 hours with the charging case. Plus, they charge super fast thanks to Baseus's flash charging tech. And if you lose them, there's this handy app to track their last location. Just, remember to check the app. They've also got low latency mode for a smoother audio experience. You gotta set it up through the app first though. Lastly, some user reviews. Everyone's loving them. Great sound, especially the bass, and the packaging is top-notch. So yeah, if you're in the market for new earbuds, these are definitely worth checking out.